Welcome back to Beardy and Me. It's been a little bit. Someone decided to take a few months nap. Normally she roommates from about October to sometimes around January, February, and she just sleeps. She wakes up occasionally, drinks some water, and goes right back to sleep. So she's finally awake. Say hi. Hi. Alright, so what we have for you today is Drape Fit. I actually got an email from Drape Fit asking if I would do a review. So, this knife's a little stuck. Let's see what they sent to us. Now I have done one other review for Drape Fit, so this is going to be my second Drape Fit box. It's been a while since I've done the Drape Fit review, so we'll see if it's a little bit better than last time. So it does come really nicely packaged. It's actually so sealed, nothing nothing is showing. They did send, come back here. You sit right here. Oh, okay. She's gonna go crawl around. She's excited to be awake. So they did send me a $20 gift card, and I will have a code down below letting everyone get I think it's a $10 off your purchase price. So this just talks about free shipping, returns, free shipping both ways. You can try it at home. It's easy. You order your Fitbit box, schedule online, and cancel at any time. It's pretty much the same as all of the other style boxes that they send. They also send a letter showing how much all the prices are for everything. So I'll also put prices down below. Let's see what we got. Now looking at their prices are a little bit cheaper than say Stitch Fix. It looks like the most expensive thing on here is $32.99, with the cheapest being $19.99. So the subtotal for this entire fix would be $151.94, and then if you purchase everything, you get a $25 or 25% off discount, which is $37.99. So the entire purchase price for these 5 items, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 items, would be $113.96. So it looks like Time and True. It doesn't actually say what the price is for these on here. I'm gonna guess that these are $19.99 a piece. So it is a hat. It's really soft, and it does have gloves, and I really like these kind of gloves because they have the little button where you can either use your fingers or you can cover them. So these are really nice. They also sent a black shirt. I don't know if I would really call this a sweater. It's kind of sweater material, but it's also kind of just a knit shirt, and it does have a nice little design down the front. So overall, I really think this is a pretty nice top. It's by Karen Scott, and this one is $22.99. All right, let's see. Ooh, I do like this color. I like this skirt. It's just a skirt. It looks like it may go down a little above the knees. It has some cute little pockets and a little tie. It's by Love Scarlet. This is the most expensive item at $32.99. Show you the back. The back does have like a little cut in it. Overall, that's really cute. Okay. Next we have kind of a see-through white top. This is by Love University. I'm gonna guess that this is what they're considering a women's blouse. This is $22.99. So this is completely see-through here. But it does have a nice design on it. It is fairly sheer. And the last item we have are going to be some Calvin Klein pants. These are going to be $32.99 also. They are a really nice brown color. I really like these. They're stretchy and they look like they'll fit really nicely. Overall, there was some really good colors in here. The only thing I'm a little iffy on is the hat and the gloves. Them both costing $20 seems like a lot for gloves and a hat. But other than that, let's try these on and see how they do. Okay, so here's the first few pieces. This is the Karen Scott top, which is pretty long actually. It definitely wouldn't go with the skirt because then you'd be missing all the detail on the skirt. It is a little bit big, but with some nice pants, I think it would be fine. The skirt ties at the top, has some nice little details. It's pretty long. What do you think? I think I really like the top. I'm not so sure. I really like the color on the skirt. I guess it's okay with the longer, but I feel like it's just a little bit tight. What do you think? What do you think, Beardy? All right, let's try in the next one. Okay, so here are the last pieces. I also added the hat. The shirt is very, very tight in the bust. There's not a lot of give here. It's pretty, you can see it's looser down here, but it's very, very, very tight here. There wouldn't really be enough room to put even a tank top or anything underneath it. The pants are really comfortable. They're actually maybe a little bit big. They're kind of, I don't know if you can see the bottom of them, but they're kind of wrinkling at the bottom and in here. But they are super comfortable. They're really soft. I really do like the pants. But the top, I like it. I like the detail and everything. It's just really tight. And it's really see-through, so I'd have to definitely wear something under it, but there's not a lot of room in the bust area for there to be something else under it. All right, we'll be right back and go through the list again and just go over the prices and what items I think I'll keep. Thanks. Okay, so I had a thought about the shirt, and I went and grabbed just the sweater. This is actually Grace and Frankie. Grace wears this sweater that is by Ralph Lauren, and I absolutely loved it. And they don't sell it anymore. So I bought this knockoff on Amazon, so I'm going to put a button on it. But if you happen to wear a sweater or something over this shirt, it doesn't look bad at all. It actually looks really nice. So I think maybe just adding something to it would definitely improve the look of the shirt. So it's not, it doesn't look as tight and not as see-through. Okay, I'm done. So just to recap, so we had the Calvin Klein pants. They were $32.99. We had the skirt, which was also $32.99, and then we had the blouse, which was $22.99, and then the other blouse, the black knit by Karen Scott, that was $22.99 also. And then the nice hat that my son has already asked me for, and the gloves, which he also asked me for because they were so soft. That comes to $113.96 if I purchase the whole thing, and then they did give me the $20 gift card, so it really come to under $100, about $93. So that is my fix. I will show you. This is straight fit. I was actually really impressed this time. I think last time my items weren't exactly what I was looking for, but I think this actual style fits me a lot better than my previous one had. So I was really impressed with what they sent, the colors. I like the colors because they are classic colors that I can really use with anything. It was just a really good variety of items. I think that I can mix and match these particular items with a lot of other outfits that I currently own. As you saw, the sweater, just putting it over the top, I think would really improve the top. And sometimes with items that you get, you can't always match them with exactly what you get in the box. Sometimes you really have to think outside and what other items that you own to try to mix and match and find what really matches your own style. So from Beardy and me, we'll see you next time. Bye.